back to the kitchen. Today, real simple, meatloaf. Anybody can cook it. I've done the prep. I'll just explain it and we're gonna cook it. It's that simple. Okay, everybody. So we have 2¼ pounds of ground beef, cup white onion, cup of breadcrumbs, teaspoon black pepper, 1 egg. We're going to mix this all together. Let's get started. I'm going to add the onion first. In with the black pepper. Crack our egg. Drop it right in. Breadcrumbs. I'm going to do a little to start. Now you got to get messy. You got to use your hands. Got to mix it all together. I know what you're saying. There's got to be another way. There's not. This is it. You're going to mix all this together. Break all the meat up. Mix it all in there. Add some more breadcrumbs. It's okay if you make a little mess. There's nothing wrong with that. You're in the kitchen. You're cooking. Or you will be cooking. Real simple. Real simple. Okay, now that you've got all the ingredients mixed, you're going to move it from the bowl over to the bread pan. And you're going to conform it to the shape of the bread pan. See? Real simple. Okay, now some people put ketchup on the top of that. What I'm going to do is Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to coat it. Okay? Do a generous portion. Then I'm going to make it even with a spoon. Now, you don't have to use the sweet and spicy, but I figured I'm going to try it out and see if it's good with the meatloaf. I'm sure it is. I had it on my trash can burger if you watched that video. Okay, it's generously coated. I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. Once it's ready, we're going to put this in the oven. All right, folks, we're going to take it, put it right in the oven. There it is. 350. It's all set to go. Okay, now that it's in the oven at 350 degrees, we're going to leave it in there for 45 minutes. Then we're going to reglaze and put it back in there for the remaining of an hour. Okay? So the meatloaf needs to cook at 350 for an hour, but you're going to check the glaze on the top after 45 minutes. Well, everybody, the meatloaf is ready, and we're going to take our bite. That is some good stuff. From my kitchen to your plate. We'll see you at the next meal.